زي كلاسيك
Chandras, our first topic in the Western political philosophy is Machiavelli. Machiavelli as a philosopher. Machiavelli was a realist and he belonged to Italy. He was living in Italy, Florence, the city of Florence. He was living in an era